Do you know that Tuition Protection Service (TPS) operates to protect students regarding their tuition fee-related disputes, backed by all education providers who enroll international students? It is an initiative of the Australian government to assist international students whose education providers are unable to fully deliver their course of study. To understand the detailed news, watch this video till the end. Warm welcome from Brain Drain Consultants to our immigration information and news channel A2Z Immigration Updates. Most international students have a positive study experience in Australia, and one of the reasons they choose to come to study here is because they are well protected by providers and the government. On the rare occasions that a provider is unable to deliver a course you have paid for and does not meet their legal obligations to make alternative course placements or provide you with a refund, it is good to know there is help available. In the unlikely event your education provider is unable to deliver a course you have paid for and does not meet their obligations to either offer you an alternative course that you accept or pay you a refund of your unspent prepaid tuition fees, this is called a provider's default obligations. The TPS will assist you in finding an alternative course or to get a refund if a suitable alternative is not found. Australia has a well-established international education sector with over 1,200 education providers delivering a high-quality education to international students. For many years now, Australia has been a world leader in protecting the tuition fees of international students studying in Australia on a student visa. Education Services for Overseas Students (ESOS) Act have further strengthened protections for international students through the introduction of the Tuition Protection Service (TPS). The TPS ensures that international students are able to either complete their studies in another course or with another education provider or receive a refund of their unspent tuition fees. Additionally, education providers must meet stricter requirements to be registered with the Australian government, face tougher penalties if they don't assist or refund students according to the law, must keep accurate records of student contact details and any units of study completed. What is the ESOS Act? The Education Services for Overseas Students Act 2000, the ESOS Act, and related laws set out the requirements for education institutions, providers, who deliver education services to international students on a student visa. These laws are there to protect international students and also help ensure students meet student visa conditions for attending classes and making satisfactory progress in their studies while in Australia. For many years, Australia has been a world leader in protecting the tuition fees of international students studying in Australia on a student visa. Additionally, an Overseas Students Ombudsman is also established by Australian government to assist overseas students who have a complaint about a private provider. Students of publicly funded providers already have access to the relevant state ombudsman. This is a separate body than TPS that can help the students regarding their disputes with the education provider. We have made a separate video regarding the details and information about International Student State Ombudsman. The link to the video is there in the description that you can watch separately. How TPS work in case of a fee dispute. The TPS will help you quickly find another course, if your provider can't deliver the course you have paid for. The TPS will use an online placement service to give you all the information you need so you understand your options and can choose an alternative course that best suits you. Additional assistance will be available if you need it. You will still have to meet all the course entry requirements of another provider and any extra costs if the provider is more expensive than the one you originally enrolled with. What if I can't find a course that I like? If you are unable to find an alternative course after a reasonable period of time set by the TPS will refund you the tuition fees you have paid for the part of the course that you haven't yet received. If you do receive a refund, you are still required to meet all the conditions of your student visa in terms of having a current enrollment. For more information on your student visa obligations, please visit the Department of Immigration and Citizenship, DIAC, or presently known as Department of Home Affairs Australia's website, www.homeaffairs.gov.au. What if I need a new student visa? If you require a new student visa as a result of a closure of an education provider, you should contact DIAC or DHA immediately. Contact details are available on the DHA website, www.homeaffairs.gov.au. Offer letter and written agreements. Under Australian law, when you accept an offer of a course, it must be in the form of a written agreement. This is the document that you sign when you enroll with an education provider. In your written agreement, providers must give you detailed information on the course you are enrolled in, payment plan for tuition fees including the number and length of each study period, any non-tuition fees, refund entitlements in different situations, course requirements including minimum English language, requirements on attendance yandu making satisfactory progress, any services that can support you. In the second part of this video we will discuss and answer the frequently asked questions and other general queries of the students, so if you have any question or query then comment down below so that we can cover that in the video as well.
We hope that you will like our efforts to provide accurate information to you, and you will definitely like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.